because I was squeezing down the water. I was reaching my hands up and I was about to say, what?
Alright guys, so today we're going to do a home tour. So we're going to start in our bedroom, which is the only upstairs that we have. And then we have a bathroom here. And I've been doing home tours for a while now. So there's just a toilet over there, shower. This is our one messy space that I needed to clutter. I just shoved all the baby stuff in here. And this is my husband's sleep apnea pillow. And there's my pregnancy pillow. And this is our Christmas tree. So yes, I do have one space that needs some help. There's Esther. So this is my closet here, and then I have my desk area. This is my winter clothes. This we use for Esther to climb up to get to things, but it's up here for safety, because she'll just climb on it. Here's my husband's side of the bed. Here is some storage, so I have my nursing pillow up here. Just some old keepsakes I need to go through and probably give away. This has my old toys in it from the 90s. I made a video about that. And this is our deep freezer, which has frozen stuff in it. And then my husband's closet is here. Alright, now the biggest change in our house is our carpet. We got new carpet. This is all of our homeschool art supplies and other things. It's up here so that this one doesn't get in it. Are you eating a muffin? Are you a mess? Hey guys, I said one at a time. So here is our main living space. My husband just put up this thing for our coats and jackets, which is amazing. Hi. Because we've got so many people now and not any closets. So now we have our new living room with our new carpet.
Hey, it's my turn.
One at a time. You gotta bump it up, it fell. Good, Becky?
What? Sorry.
It fell. It's not safe. This is where my husband and I keep our shoes. We have the piano and the sitting area. This is Esther's toy area and clothes here and diapers. It just makes more sense to keep it out here and not have to go back. Always have a bucket of yarn. This is our homeschool area. So it's all of our homeschool stuff fits on this shelf here. And the bottom has some toys and dining room and kitchen. It's a mess. And this is our wardrobe where we put coats and stuff. So we have rain jackets, rain suits, winter pants, my coat, my husband's sweater. This has more art stuff in it, all of our stuff for making peg dolls or painting. And here's where the kids put their shoes. So here's also where I keep my planner out and also like any little notes that I need to do and my phone in this area. And then we have all the hair supplies for the girls. And my son's comb is also in there. And then usually I hang this up here. There it goes. It's supposed to hang there. And the hat fell back here. Alright guys, be quiet for the video for a minute. So here are my son's shoes and my daughter's shoes, and then they each have a bin. It is way too loud back there. So here is our main bathroom. It's kind of a mess. We are starting a little bit of potty training. So yeah, washer and dryer. And here is my son's room, which we newly renovated. So that leads to outside. And here is all of his books. I love his room. So we just renovated his room and I'm so excited about it. Here's his closet. And he has a nice comfy chair, so if mom or dad is sitting in here chatting with him, one of us can sit either on the bed or on the chair. He also has a desk and lots of Legos and a shelf. Here's his little things that he's collected on his desk. And then we have books, and more books. Then we have my daughter's room, which we recently renovated as well. So her room is just a mess, but she's only 6. So here's her shelf, and we have another mattress in here because eventually Esther will sleep here too. So that's stored there. Shelf, her desk, her Legos are there.
Mama.
Are you stuck?
Mama.
Oh, you need to be wiped down. You're covered in chocolate. So yeah, she does have blankets and pillows, but they're in the hallway because they're using the slide. So this is her room, and I love it. I love it too. And her closet. I really need to wash her clothes. The whole basket is full. And here are just some books I put in here. She's not reading yet, but still trying to start a collection from when she does read. I love books, and I'm hoping my kids will too.